That's recording as well. Now I am going to open my Zoom and I'm going to record to the cloud. And I'm recording to the cloud. Do you see recording to the cloud on your end?
No, because I cannot see it.
So minimize it or make it smaller so you can see what I'm doing as well.
Just have to finish my Pissarra update.
Okay, so tell me when you're ready. You'll tell me when you're ready?
Yes, I'll tell you when I'm ready. Fine. Okay, I'm clicking got it.
What did you get?
That it is being streamed.
No, you did not get that.
It's being recorded.
It's being recorded. It's different. Now I'm going to go to the streaming. I'm going live on YouTube. I'm going to choose my channel. I'm going to choose my account. I'm going to choose my channel. It is training. I'm going to go live. I'm preparing to live stream.
Fine. I got it. I said that the content of this meeting is being sent to a third party.
Which is YouTube.
By staying in this meeting, you consent to share your information, including audio and video. Users with access to the third party service can watch or share content with others.
Okay.
I click got it. And now I'm ready to see the YouTube stream.
Okay. So we're on the YouTube stream now.
Now I want to get the URL of the YouTube stream. What can I do?
You can go live on YouTube and you can see it.
I went to YouTube and then there is a host.
No, you have to click on it.
And I click on it and I got the stream now.
Right, and then you can put that into your URL, into your notepad.
So I typed it, I pasted it on my notepad.
Okay.
And now I would like to take some files and paste it back as a chat.
Okay, can I control this, please?
No, let me finish. It's too long, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's now.
Okay.
I published that.
Okay, so can you go back to our drawing board?
What is your drawing board?
Or go back to Zoom.
Go back to Zoom?
Yes.
Okay, I'm in Zoom now.
Okay, so you're in Zoom now. What it's better when you want to view it and you want to record it. Let me show you something. Can you move your hand? It's much better if you view it here. You basically do gallery view.
Fine, do whatever you want.
No, I'm going to tell you. It's better to do gallery view so you see you have both. Okay?
Yeah.
I think I like that better. You don't?
It doesn't matter. What you like is what matters.
Okay, we don't need to see your ceiling. Okay. All right, so today's session is to talk about playlists and podcasts and RSS feeds. So the first thing that I'm going to do, we're going to be doing an hour session, is I'm now going to share my screen, and I want you to follow along.
Okay.
I don't see you following along.
Fine, I will.
So tell me when you're ready.
I'm refreshing the song.
And the playlist, can you mute your playlist?
Yes.
Mute the YouTube because you hear that in the background. So go back to your YouTube and put it on mute. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Please put it on mute.
Okay, I'm finishing the song. Let me finish with that, please. Now, tell me what mute do you want me to do exactly?
Mute the YouTube. It's playing now live on YouTube.
Mute the YouTube.
Mm-hmm. Mute it. Do you want me to help you?
I have to figure out
No.
how to mute it.
Right there. See what the speaker is? No, just mute it. That's all you need to do. That's fine. Okay, can you go back to a YouTube live broadcast? Okay. Now what I suggest you do is you pay attention.
Fine.
Okay, so welcome. So we just were doing, excuse us for doing a little bit of housekeeping chores. So what our goal is today, what our goal is today,
display the transcript, please, and CC, and so on.
I have my transcript. You have just to make your transcripts on. You have to create your transcript. Do you want me to help you?
Okay, no, I want to view the full transcript.
Well,
and I want also to display the hearing impaired.
What is hearing impaired?
Show chat review.
What hearing impaired are you talking about? What hearing impaired?
Captions.
The captions are on. You just have, my captions are on.
Show captions.
My captions are on.
Okay, so I got it now. My caption are on also. Okay.
Okay, can you go back? What we're going to do tonight is I hope we don't have any more interruptions here so we can get on to the parse. I would like to speak if I so may. Thank you. What we are tonight is we're going to be able to look at creating playlists in YouTube, number one. Number two, creating a podcast, and then we will decide to do, can you just turn that off because that is too much of my face. And we have nice lighting here. If you look here, if you look at mine, you see how well my lighting is compared to yours where you have a lot of light on your face.
Okay.
We'll talk about the lighting.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to do the YouTube podcast, YouTube playlist, YouTube podcast, and we'll see if we have time, the RSS feed. So I'm going to share my screen, and I have one other speaker here, and if I get stuck, I'll ask him to help me at that time. All right?
Fine.
Thank you. So I'm going to share my screen. Does everybody see my screen?
Not yet. I'm updating the psalm.
Well, we can have these 5-minute delays in each part. It's already been,
less than a minute.
No, it's already been 9 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'm just going to continue on.
Continue on.
And I will ignore your issues. Okay, so now you can see that we are broadcasting live on YouTube. We're creating it, and at this point, what I'd like to do is to create a playlist. I'd like to create a podcast and look at the RSS feeds. So if I go to YouTube, I am now, right now, let me make a full screen here. I am in my channel with my eye here. If I look at my account, it is training. And what I'd like to do is to create a playlist. So if I go to content on the very left-hand corner, you see where I am?
In the very left corner of what?
On the pane of the YouTube, on Studio. You see where
Yes.
my highlighting, I have my content.
Yes.
On the top of my channel content, I can have videos.
Yes.
I have shorts, live, playlists, podcasts, and promotion. So at this point, if I go to playlists,
You want to create a new playlist.
I want to create a new playlist. But where is the content that I want to create from this channel?
You don't need the content. You need to create a playlist, and then they will give you a chance to put your title and your description of your playlist. So you click on the new playlist button.
I click on my new, and the
And now
title,
you go to wherever you have information about your syllabus and information. You put a title according to the chapter that you covered last time. So let's say that you covered hardware.
no, the last time we were talking about it is we were talking about automated,
So you can type in
Trading.
automated trading system with Ninja Trader, blah, blah, blah.
automatic trading systems.
Strategies with Ninja Trader.
The description is using Ninja Trader.
What would be better to do is to go to the internet and pull out information about it from a public, no copyright.
Using Ninja Trader platform.
Sorry.
Just keep it simple right now. Performing.
For next time,
Well, I'm just
explaining.
saying performing, back testing, strategy analyzer, and optimization. Okay, I'm going to make it public, okay?
Fine.
And now I have here an optimization. I now will create, the visibility is public, and I create. So now this says this playlist says automated trading systems. So how do I put in this playlist, how do I put now my files from last night?
You want to go to Wikipedia.
No, right now we're at my place here. I want to put the content of my playlist from last night. How do I go about that?
Of WikiFX, for example. So this is a no copyright site where you can go and copy information for a title and so on, and you have to just give your
Okay, now I go to videos.
email. Anyways,
Where do I find the videos that I
now
did
that
from
you
last
made-
time?
now that you made the title and the description,
Right.
you want to go to the videos.
And where do they reside?
The videos reside in your site where you publish them on It Is Training.
Okay, I'm
Go
in.
to It Is Training.
Yeah, I am in It Is Training now.
It
I'm in.
is, just a minute,
It's-
training.
It's right there. I'm right there. It says your channel, YouTube.
I don't see it here.
Right, I don't see it here either.
You have to go to It Is Training
I am in It
and
Is
display
Training.
the last 3 sessions
And where do I see that?
from the previous. You have also, before you make the playlist, you have to go to It Is Training, and I don't see it.
I'm in it here. It Is
But
Training.
you don't share it with me.
Yes, I am. It's right there.
No, you have to display the 3 sessions that you
I know,
streamed last time.
that's what I'm looking for.
Uh,
Is it
that,
in
that
your
will be under,
channel?
in your channel under live stream. Go to your channel,
Okay.
and under your channel there will be various
Yeah,
categories.
here it is for you. This is it.
So you want to go to the you see the category first name, and then there is live, and then there is playlist.
Yeah, so go to live.
Go to live and find the last 3 sessions that you have done and tell me which one they are.
The last 3 are right here.
Yes. Right here doesn't mean to me.
Right here where my cursor is.
Okay, so
You have
you
the
have
phone.
4 items there.
No, this is what I'm doing now. I'm live right now here. The first one on the first row to the left-hand side. You see my cursor?
Yes.
That's what we're doing right now.
Okay, so
We're
fine.
live
So
stream.
now
These 3, you see these 3?
you want to take those that are finished. Let's go to the first one first.
Okay,
Place the cursor on it.
it is.
And now you want to find the place that enables you to right mouse click and see if it will pop. Oh, there are 3 dots. You see? There
Yeah.
are 3 dots on the right. Click on it and it will give you an option to add it to a playlist.
Okay. Oh, save to playlist. Okay.
Right. So now you click save to playlist for the
Okay.
first one.
Okay, automated trading systems.
And now you select
Automated trading systems.
right. And now
And then press enter.
I don't know what presenter you're talking about.
Press enter.
Oh, press enter. Yes, press enter and see. Or click, double
No.
click it. No.
This is it. Create new.
Okay, so now go to the next one. Click on the next item to the right hand side of the first session, please. Yeah, right mouse click here
Save to playlist.
to playlist and select the same thing. Auto trading systems.
Okay.
Now go to the third one. No, to the third icon.
I did
of this
go.
third live session.
I did.
And add it to your playlist. So now you have added 3 items to your playlist. You understand?
But I didn't save it.
Select the save. And now
Now what?
you have somewhere to save it.
Okay.
Unless it since you have only one, it should be able to figure it out.
What do you mean only one?
So go back to where your playlist was. Don't do anything else. Leave this alone. And go to your playlist that you have created just now. And open it up, and you should have 3 items there.
Which place? Where?
I don't know. Wherever you created the playlist.
I just
remember that you created the playlist?
Yeah.
So find where is the playlist. It is the playlist for the It Is Trainee.
So where do I go now for my playlist?
Wherever you were when you created the playlist.
I don't know where I was.
You were in content in your
I know.
channel. Go back to your channel.
I'm in
View
my
your
channel.
channel right at the top there. You go back.
I'm in channel.
You just had it a
Here,
second ago.
where? Here, playlist. Let me go to playlist here.
Yeah, go to the playlist.
Automated 3 videos.
And
Okay.
now open the playlist and you'll see that. Click on the playlist.
You mean play all?
No, click. You can play them, but you can also view them.
Okay, here in the corner I view them.
Okay, so you see all
One
3
of
of them
3.
in the
Yeah.
side there?
Yes. Okay.
So now you want to convert the playlist to a podcast.
Okay.
So you create a podcast.
So let me just stop this.
So you see that this is working already,
Yeah.
right?
So I created a podcast. And now I have to go back to my. I'm
Where
gonna.
you had the playlist, there was another pane that was called podcast. You have
Yeah.
playlist first, and to the right
Contents.
of the playlist, there was a podcast.
Yeah.
So go back where your channel, it will list the playlist and podcast options.
I'm trying to find it.
Yeah, take your time.
It's not this. It's not here.
You see where it says underneath, don't go so fast. Go back to where you were. Give me a chance to show you.
YouTube Studio, maybe. Live stream.
You move too fast and you don't know what you're doing.
I know. I'm asking you to help me.
Scroll down to the lower in the page. Scroller, press the scroller roller on your mouse. There is
content. You see here on the left-hand side?
No, I don't see here.
You have to...
Oh, content, right. Click on content, please.
Okay, now I have my playlist.
Now go to podcast.
No, I'm going to go to my playlist. These are my playlists right here. You see it?
Fine. Now go to podcast.
Podcast.
To the right of it.
Right. And create a new podcast.
Podcast.
Well, let's see what do I want to call the podcast.
You call it the same way.
Okay, so let me just copy this, okay?
You don't need to copy it. It will automatically do it.
No, I'll copy it.
Copy.
Let me copy it to the buffer.
Copy to a notepad.
That's what I'm doing. I first have to copy to a buffer before I do that.
Fine.
Okay, so I did my playlist already. And now, are you ready?
Ready for what?
To see what I'm doing?
Yes.
Okay, I was in my playlist. You see I have automated trading systems. I have 3 videos attached to automated trading systems. Do you see that?
Fine.
Do you see that?
Yes.
What do you see? What did I just say?
You said that you have 3 videos attached to your playlist.
Right. What's the playlist called?
Automated trading systems.
Right. Now I'm going to go to podcasts. You see my cursor on podcasts? And if you want to see that better,
go to podcast. I see it fine. Go to podcast and select new podcast.
I'm going to select create a new podcast. Let's read it first.
Read it out loud.
Create a new podcast, set in an existing playlist as a podcast, or submit your RSS feed. We have a playlist as a podcast, so we'll use that. Okay?
Yes, so click new podcast.
I'm going to click new podcast. So I want to set an existing playlist as a podcast. That's what I want to do.
That's right.
Number 2.
Yes.
And you see here, now it asks me to choose my playlist.
Yes, so click on your playlist.
I have one playlist. I'm going to click on it. All right. It already gives me the title of my playlist, gives me the description.
And sets it to public.
And it was set to public. It just tells me the podcast details.
Right. At this point.
Now it says at this point, can you hold on? This point, thumbnail required. Upload a square picture that represents your podcast.
So click on your icon to upload a picture of yourself.
Okay, so you want me to go
click on that.
Right click?
Left click.
Click on it?
Yes, and it will open a dialog box that will give you a chance
to look at my pictures.
To go to pictures and upload something.
So you want me to upload this one?
You have to upload a certain characteristic which this image complies with it. But before you do that, you should have copied the file name. It will show it to you and it will display it, and if it doesn't work, it will tell you it's not good. So wait for it to finish.
Okay, you want me to
Next time,
copy?
don't do things on your own. Click on it, now copy. What are you doing now?
You told me to copy this.
No, I told you to not do anything.
I clicked
Now
on it.
place the cursor where it says file name
Okay.
and wait for the cursor to mark the input, your name, blue. Click on it.
Okay, I clicked
Now
at the
place
end.
the cursor on it and wait for the cursor to convert to a vertical line.
It did.
Then right mouse click and select copy. And now click open. Select the open button and click on it.
Okay.
And now wait for them to upload it. And read what it says.
Thumbnail must be square with about the same width and height.
Yes, the picture is not good because it is not square, it is
Okay.
rectangular.
Okay, so let me
So
go.
then click on it again, back, and let me tell you what is a square picture. A square picture is a picture that is the height and the width are the same.
Mm-hmm.
And this picture that you selected is rectangular.
Mm-hmm.
So try instead the picture that is right next to it, where it says Dr. Sarah. Click on it, please.
That doesn't look like, that's
Click
a
on it,
301. That's not square. You see how it says,
Click on
the
it.
yeah, wait a minute. You see how it says dimensions 301 by 168?
This is the dimension of the image, part of the image, but there's a blank part of it that may be good enough.
Okay, I'll click.
Please click on it. Then
Okay.
mark it and copy to the clipboard buffer, the way I showed you before. Place the cursor on it, mark the whole thing blue, copy to the clipboard buffer, and click open and see if it will accept this one. And if not, I can show you one on mine that is good enough for you.
Didn't you find one? Wasn't
I
that?
found one, yes.
So maybe send it to me.
Let me first go to my, I don't know, I found it on another computer. I don't know if I have it on this computer. Let me go to my pictures and see what I got here.
Let me try this one.
Pictures. Here you have a square one. Here
Which-
you have another square one. So I have a couple of square ones.
So send it to me.
I'll send it to you. Okay? Let me see if I have any more square ones. Okay, 2 of them is good enough. Okay, let me.
Just
Yeah.
send me one.
The
The
problem
first
is
one.
that they are JPEGs, and I'm not sure if the quality is good enough for them.
Doesn't say
Let's
anything.
start from one.
Okay.
Let me just see
Just
if I have any more of them of yours that are square. Here's another one.
how about the one on the lower left? That caricature. You took all of them. I don't want all of them.
Please give me a chance. I call the folder Sarah Square. Okay?
So send it.
So now I have to go to my channel.
Not your channel, just your Gmail. Just go to your Gmail and send it to me. I sent you the invitation. Just reply. Just reply. Here, just reply right there. You're right here. Just reply. I just sent something to you. Just reply. And now attach. Right here.
Okay, fine.
And send. So send. Did you attach it? You want me to help you?
No, I wanted to give me some time to figure out what I'm doing. You bombard me with so much stuff that I cannot handle it. Please give me a chance to. I wanted to upload it, but
Can I help you?
it doesn't just
Let me
didn't
just do
work
it.
for me.
Let
Just
me.
don't bother me for
No,
a
let
few
me just.
seconds. Let me figure out what I'm doing.
This is attached right here. See that? The second one is attached. No, I want it attached. I don't want to make it.
Okay, you do whatever you
Okay,
want.
so send
Okay?
it. It's not how I wanted it. Okay.
Okay, see if you got it, please.
No. I didn't get it. Now I got it. I got one.
Takes time.
No, you didn't send it as a picture.
No?
No. You just took each. I just want to attach a file. I don't want. I just want each one
Okay,
to be
fine.
a
I heard
separate
you.
file. You didn't
Fine.
do. You just sent me pictures.
Fine.
I can copy the image. So I'm going to save each one as an image. Okay, I have to save it.
Fine.
You just didn't do a good job. You have to save it. Let's try this one. Make it more work than me. Okay.
Terrible for you to do any work.
No, you just needed to do it. Here, upload a picture. Let's try this one. Nope. Thumbnail must be square. Make your thumbnail 1280 by 1280. Ensure that your thumbnail is less than 10 meg. Use a JPEG or GIF file format. It has to be 1280 by 1280. That doesn't work. Let's try the other one.
You take the first, another file that I send you.
I took the first picture.
I took the second one and the third one.
Yeah.
Take them and try them.
Yeah. No. Oh, this one worked.
Which one worked?
The caricature.
Fine.
Yeah,
Take the
Google
caricature.
used. That's what I did.
Fine.
Okay, can you look at the zoom? Look at the
Yes.
zoom.
Okay, that's good. So you got that to work.
Okay?
So this is another difference. This gives you an opportunity to put a picture and the playlist does not.
Okay.
So
So what?
now you got the
Set,
playlist.
set existing playlist as a podcast. No, I don't have the playlist. I have a podcast I'm setting.
That's right.
You set a playlist.
No, I said that the playlist
Yeah.
does not let you upload the picture while the podcast lets you upload
Right.
the picture. This is another difference between them. You asked me what are the differences.
Okay. And now I'm going to say done. Okay?
Right.
And it's-
Notice that when you open the menu, there was another item that said to add an RSS feed.
Not well. First, we're just doing this. Do I have a playlist? That's what it says.
Right. So
you can make a
done. You're
playlist
done. You
to a
got the-
podcast.
Now you got the podcast. You finished
Right.
with the podcast. You understand?
Right. Now, if I go to podcast, this is my podcast, and it's now visible as
Right.
public.
Right. And now.
Now, the question is, do I have a URL of this? If I click
Yeah,
here,
if you click on it.
let's
will
see.
open
Let,
it in
let- let me open it up in another tab.
No, just double click it.
No,
will open it.
I'll open it in a new link, so I have this
Fine,
still
a new
remain
link. Open
in
it
a link in a new tab.
Fine, fine.
This way you keep it each one separate. You understand?
Yes,
So this is it right here. You see?
yes.
This is the podcast details.
So copy the.
Wait a minute,
URL.
hold on. Let me just read what it has
Fine.
first. Okay?
Yeah.
Podcast details. Automated trading systems using Ninja platform performing backtesting, strategy analyzer, and optimization. Upload a square picture. And now at this point, let me move this. You see what it says here? If you connect an RSS feed to your podcast, then new episodes added to that RSS feed will automatically be uploaded to your podcast on YouTube. You may also choose to upload old episodes from the RSS feed. So at this point, I can connect to an RSS feed too. Okay. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to move. I have a URL here that I'm going to copy to my notepad. So you have your channel content. You have my caricature, the details, videos. These are the 3 videos that I have. There are no restrictions. They have views. On February 26th, they were streamed. And analytics you can see that they're reviewed. And you can see here the details of it. So it's required. On a podcast, a picture is required. And now it says connect to an RSS feed. Right. What should I do now? Should I click connect to an RSS feed?
Open another browser. You have to create an RSS feed.
Mm-hmm.
Open another browser.
Why not another tab?
Because then you cannot have them both open at the same time, because you have to copy and paste. Once the RSS feed is created, right, you want to place it on one side, and concurrently with this, copy and paste so they can see the RSS feed, which is an independent entity, and this on two different parts of the screen.
Let me just now,
in two different browsers.
First, let me just click on connect to RSS feed just to see what they request. So it says here, if you connect to an RSS feed, you see this down in the bottom?
You cannot connect to an RSS feed because you
No, I want to learn more first.
Oh, fine.
Deliver podcasts using if you're an audio first podcast creator that distributes using, you can upload your RSS feed to YouTube. Learn how to upload podcasts to YouTube using an RSS feed. Best practices, frequent. Can I upload more than one episode after I connect? If I delete, how are videos restored? How do I verify ownership of my RSS? If I upload a new audio file, okay. And here it's deliver podcasts using an RSS feed. And here's publish or disconnect episodes from an RSS feed on YouTube. So this, they talk about audio with the RSS feed. So if I'm using video, I still need the audio? I need the RSS feed?
Yes.
Okay, so here it gives you connect your RSS feed. Before you begin to log in, then follow the steps below to upload from your RSS feed. In YouTube, create new podcasts, read and accept, read instructions, enter your RSS feed URL next, send the code to verify your account, enter the verification. Okay. After you set up your feed, it may take a few days for your episode to upload. You'll get an email when your podcast is ready to be published. However, your podcast will not be published until you go to your published. Okay, so that's what you're talking. So you're saying I need to go to another browser.
Open another browser and go to rss.com.
Okay.
And keep this one, squeeze it, make it a little smaller so the centerpiece of your screen will be the rss.com. You can also go to BuzzFeed.
Okay, I want something free.
So go to rss.com. BuzzFeed is also free for a while.
I don't want it for a while. Okay.
And RSS feed is free forever.
Right, I'm there. So the easiest way to start, grow, launch your podcast for free.
So you want to click on launch your podcast for free. And create an account.
Okay. Start your podcast. No credit, customizable. Okay, so let me move this a bit. Okay. You didn't use this account before, did you?
I used Dr. A-Rush one. I didn't use that.
Okay, fine.
Just watch your finger and be sure that you know what you're typing there.
Okay?
Yes. and then go in. They will send you an email, confirm that you are you, to Drush,
What happened?
Dr. S. Rush. Do you understand?
What?
What
It
did I
says
say?
get started for free. I'm trying to click.
Right.
It's going slow. Okay?
Just one step. You check the Dr. S. Rush at Gmail.
So I have to validate my card.
Copy and paste will give you a code, and paste the code into where they say,
now,
enter the code here.
אז אני אעשה את זה, שכל אחד יכול לראות את זה?
אף אחד לא יכול לראות שום דבר, והקוד הזה זה רק לזה, ואחרי ש... After you do that, the code disappears and it is no longer valid, so you don't have to worry about it. Nobody is watching you in real time, and nobody will take it, and besides, there's nothing to steal there. Just copy the code where it says 03, put it in the clipboard buffer, and then go back, place the cursor in the first position, and go Control V.
Okay.
And done. Also, you may want to click that they will save it, so next time you don't have to memorize it. It will be already there for you. So
should I, Mama?
Yes, save it.
Okay.
And now click on the...
You don't have any podcasts yet. Get started and create your podcast. So I'd want to do that or keep it in Zoom?
I don't understand what you want.
See, look what it says.
Click on new podcast.
Okay. I thought you wanted me to... I thought you wanted me to wait for the feed.
When you click on new podcast, they will give you a feed.
But this is the title and everything. This is doing
Fine, so make it... This is why I told you to put them side by side. Then go to your podcast and type the title and copy and paste from YouTube to this. So it will be the same name. You understand?
Yeah.
This is why I told you to put them on two different browsers side by side.
I am.
Fine. So take your time and position it. Open up the podcast, and then you display, and then copy and paste the same title and the same descriptor from your either podcast or playlist in the new RSS feed of the podcast.
Oh, is this my public RSS feed that I can just use this?
They will give you a URL.
They have it a URL already. No?
Fine.
I think.
I told you what to do. Put the title, copy the title and paste it in the place where it says title.
English.
And then you can also upload the picture.
Yeah.
And do the same thing that you have done before. You have the beginning of the URL, and then they will give you an extension that will identify you uniquely. And then you take all of it and you...
Why is it not coming up?
It takes time.
No, it says something.
This image is too small. Minimum size, 250 by something else.
Oh, so that one didn't work. It's different type of art. Okay, so let me...
Doesn't matter, but you have 3 files, so try the other 2.
Yeah, I will. Too small.
Try the third one.
Wait. No, this one is fine.
That's good, okay. So now you've got everything but your unique identifier.
This part includes explicit content. No, it doesn't. Hold on, I have to make it bigger so I can see the bottom.
Public, website, and RSS feed
This part
address.
says... Hold on. I have to move. The problem is it's always this. Okay, now why does, what did I
You have to
miss?
complete the public website and RSS feed address. Do you understand?
This will be your permanent address. Once confirmed, so what should I put?
So put in it is training.
Oh, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Or do you want to do, this will be a permanent address, one confirmed, cannot be changed. You want the it is training?
Yes. Let's do
Or,
remember.
or do you want to do it something about the topic?
No, you want to, it is training pertains to all of them. You
Okay.
understand? From now on,
Okay.
that will be your,
Okay. So we have to copy it. Okay.
you can type it, it is training.
No, but I want to copy also what I do. Do you understand?
No,
I want to get the exact way that this is.
don't make it more complicated.
No, I want to copy exactly how it has it here. You
Right.
understand?
It is training.
Right. You understand? I want to copy
and
it.
paste it.
That's what I want to do
Fine,
rather
do
than. You understand?
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
Because we can do other ones too.
And then copy and paste it to your note. Copy
No.
the prefix and then copy it is training to your notepad.
I want to copy
It's
everything.
already in the buffer. So just go to your notepad and paste.
But I want to do the RSS podcast.
First
all
of all,
the.
go to your notepad and paste what is in buffer right now on the very bottom. Make a new line at the very bottom and paste. And now go back and take the prefix and paste the prefix in front of it, and you'll have a complete RSS feed URL. You
Yeah.
understand?
Hold on.
Now take the prefix.
Wait a minute. I hear you. It just takes a while.
Take your
okay.
time.
Well, then
No
don't talk.
rush.
You're yapping so much. You want to?
Copy to the clipboard buffer first. Did you do that?
Yes. But this gets in my way here. You see this?
Now paste it. Now no spaces.
I want to save it first.
So save it.
So I have it. Okay.
And then copy to the clipboard buffer
I did.
the whole string.
It is in the buffer, the whole string.
To verify it, hit another line and paste it. And now save your notepad
I did save
and
it.
move your notepad out of the way to the right, out of the center. Go back. Now there is a point where you can
Just this is now. I just say next. You see this next?
yeah, go next, and you have a chance to enter your name,
Do I?
copyright notice.
So can I leave this blank, or do you want me to put?
You have to, they don't let you continue, so put in a name, Dr. S.
Oh,
Rush.
Jane Doe 2022. Okay, so I'll say Dr. Rush 2024.
Right.
And then the name, you want me to just do Dr. Rush?
Dr. S. Rush. Don't confuse it. Always use the same thing. If you are using Dr. S. Rush, use always Dr. S. Rush.
I did Dr. Rush. Okay, so now I'm doing, you want S.
It's not what I want. You should be learned to be consistent and not create confusion and chaos.
Avi, I need what's up. See,
Dr. S. Rush is fine. And next.
Okay, categories.
So you have to select educational business.
It's business.
Select business. Okay.
You can do two.
So do business.
Wait a minute, let me just see. Entrepreneur, management, marketing, nonprofit careers, investing, I'll put two, right?
Yes.
I think that's it. Education, right?
Yes. You can put
How to.
how to, right.
Okay, that's it. They don't let more. I don't think they let more. They only let you to do two. Okay, I think that's
Fine.
good enough.
So
Okay,
let's go, yeah.
let's go.
Let's go back. Eventually they will let you type in the URL, you understand?
Okay. Oh, so
Or
this made the
RSS.
podcast here, but
Right, now click on the RSS feed.
Oh, here. What RSS feed?
On the button, there's a button there that is called RSS feed on the bottom.
Hold on.
Before the globe. You see the picture of the globe at the bottom?
No.
The world globe.
No, because yeah, you don't have any episodes yet. Get started.
On
Upload your
top of
episode.
the, on top of
Here,
the
the RSS
globe, there's
feed.
RSS feed. Click on it.
Okay. You. What happened?
Takes time. Or you may need to put in a new episode and specify that what you have done is the new episode also.
You don't have any episodes yet. Get started and upload your first episode. Maybe.
So click on a new episode and say that the podcast is your new episode.
Oh, the screen number, the
And
type,
copy and paste whatever you got
episode
before.
keywords, audio file. So you have to upload an audio
Exactly
file.
the same thing that you have done.
No, but I can. If I can, all I want to do
You
here.
have to upload the
No, I don't.
audio. You take from Zoom the audio.
Yeah, but I want to do now. This is not what I wanted to do. You just said I wanted just to do it in YouTube, and you said all I needed is an RSS
I
feed.
didn't do it for a long time.
You told me all
So
I
I
needed.
told you before.
No, you told me I can just get an RSS feed. That's all I want is an RSS feed
You
here.
got the RSS feed. Already.
Where is it?
The URL is what the RSS feed is.
Which URL?
It is training and the prefix that they gave you.
This dashboard RSS. It probably is not dashboard. What is this?
Where it said.
Oh, hold on. Let's look at it. See,
No,
automated.
go to your notepad and paste. So you typed it. You pasted it here. This is the RSS
This
feed.
podcast that is
You
training.
understand?
But I don't have any episodes.
Fine. So you make an episode.
No, but the question is, that's not what I wanted. Listen, please listen to me.
I don't know what you want. I'm
They
sorry.
said all I need to do is I have the videos already there in YouTube.
But
They
you
wanted
wanna
it on.
upload audio only. Do you understand it? I forgot to tell you that.
You forgot. Well,
So
the
I'm
big.
telling you now.
No, I wanted you to.
It doesn't matter what
no,
you want.
no,
I tell you what
no,
works.
No,
that's all.
you just told me that all I need is an RSS feed, and
I
you just
forgot.
have. So say you
forgot.
made a
I
mistake.
made a mistake.
You
want to bite my hand off. I made a
No,
mistake.
no, you have to tell me.
forgot.
No, you make it like I know how to do it.
And I told you that already.
No, you didn't.
Because I asked you to give me the
No, because
audio
no,
from
you.
Zoom, and you showed me the audio from Zoom, and I uploaded the audio from Zoom.
Okay, so where is it?
It is in Zoom. You have to go to Zoom and download it from Zoom. Go to Zoom and
But
download.
right now, can I use this RSS feed? You said I just needed an
No.
RSS feed.
You have to have audio only. You understand?
No, they said if you had an RSS feed, whenever you do a new podcast, you can do it directly to YouTube. You don't
So
have
you
to
can
go.
do that too. You can go back to your.
I want to just do everything
So-
in YouTube.
Fine. So go back to your
I'm in.
YouTube podcast.
I'm in my podcast. Connect to the RSS feed. This is what I need to
Okay,
do.
connect to the RSS feed.
One-time verification to gain access to advanced. Go to next.
Yeah, so go to next.
Approval time usually a day. See,
So, fine. So,
we'll help you create a 30-second video of yourself looking into the phone's camera. Oh, okay. Use a valid ID. Usually use your phone to take a photo of your government-issued ID. Approval usually up to 2 months. You build history automatically as you continue to grow your channel and follow the community on build channel history. So what do you want to do here?
you have to take, open the camera and make a little quick video clip with your face talking about yourself.
Okay, we'll help you 30-minute into your phone's camera.
You don't need the phone. You can use the camera.
It says your phone's camera. See that?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, well, you want me to click on that?
No, if you click on
the
it, you
approval-
have to follow what they say.
Okay, approval time, usually up to 1 day.
Use video verification.
Or you can use a valid ID. I don't want my password and driver's license.
They told you to use a driver's license.
For number
Passport.
2.
Why don't you take the first choice? Use a video
Okay, just to see what it's like.
video.
Okay. Next.
Next.
Get email to start verification on your phone. Google sending verification link. Open it on your phone.
So open it on your phone.
Okay, so. Let me just see here, Joe from RSS. Okay, so that's Joe. Sent me RSS. I don't have to start right away. I don't see, get email, okay?
Fine, get email.
We sent you an email. Okay. Okay. One time you want to see it, why don't you come here so you can film it with all your stuff, right?
I don't know.
With your things, you can see
Fine.
what it is. Use
see.
video verification, Dr. A.
Flash on.
It was on.
Flash on.
It was on before. A one-time video verification will give you access to advance. This extra step will help you create. If you like, you can also get access. Start verification. Okay, agree. You'll use your phone to record a brief video of your face. Google will use it to create a face model, verify you're a real person. Your video will be, you can delete the video including your face. Okay, I agree. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Hold your phone at eye level. Use lighting that isn't too dim or too bright. Okay.
I told you to turn on the light.
I turned on this light.
It's not bright enough.
Okay. Make sure your eyes and nose are visible. No sunglasses. You don't need to speak. Okay,
You
next.
should turn this light on and face this.
Okay, so I
this
want
light.
to allow. I'll use it only this time.
That's good
Okay,
enough.
that's good enough.
So say something.
No, it just says start. Keep your face in the center, it says.
Okay, so keep it in the center.
Rotate your head slowly. Hold still. Make sure you turn in the corrected edit. Please try again, okay?
Yes, try again, do the same thing. You may describe what you're doing.
I'm rotating my head slowly. See, you got a check?
Fine.
Thanks for submitting. This usually takes 24 hours. Once your video is approved, you'll be immediately be able to use the advanced YouTube features. So it says I need to wait.
Yeah,
no.
I told you that was the problem.
Okay. Okay, so, and that was the thing that they wanted to check, okay?
Fine.
So it says we sent you an email. Now it's done.
Fine.
Okay, and I got a message. Let me show you on my, I'm sharing my screen. I got a message from RSS too.
Yes,
So if you look at this,
yes,
I got from Joe at RSS.
right.
Say, hi there, thanks for checking out. Our goal is to make it easy possible, publish and grow. If
Fine,
you're ready, get started.
Let me find it for myself too.
What do you mean, let me find it for
I
myself?
got a message like that too, but
Now you just
Interact.
log into your RSS account and you're ready to go. So I'm ready. I'm going to end this class.
okay.
This was good. This was an hour. Now we were able to do a playlist. We were able to do a podcast in YouTube. We were going to rss.com and we were able to do the RSS feed too. So tomorrow we'll look for our update from YouTube and we'll continue.
We finish
Thanks
because
very
that will
much.
be enough for you to finish.
Yeah. So I'm going to now stop my recording. I'm going to stop sharing. So that was very useful. I stopped sharing. I'm going to stop my YouTube. I stopped my recording. And I end my meeting for all. Now I'm going to end my Loom. Let me put in some information on my Loom. So it's pretty easy. Okay. I'm in my Loom now. And then I'm going to go down for the description, the comment, Control V, and I did my comment. And it did a transcript too. Avi?
Yes.
In Loom, there's a transcript. Did you know?
Yes.
Very nice. They're trying to go better. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So we close my Loom. We'll go to It Is Training. Your channel. For you. YouTube Studio.
Okay, so now I wanted to go to find my Joe letter. Right? So I wanted to go to my Gmail. And what is it? RSS? Joe from RSS feed? Did they
Yeah.
give you?
I had Joe. I don't know who you get.
Spell Joe, J-O-E?
Yeah, but it could be somebody else. But the title said, "Thanks for
Joe.
signing up." Avi?
And what is the
It was Joe at...
Joe at RSS feed?
No, it was Joe at rss.com.
Yes. So
Not
I got
feed.
Joe at rss.com.
Okay.
Me, okay?
Okay.
Here it is.
And what date?
Whenever I did it was February 9th.
Okay, fine. So that you just log into your account. That's all it says.
And you have a picture of the Joe.
Okay. Yeah, I got Joe too.
So I open the Word document. No. And copy the Joe. And then copy the path or the email and the detail. Draw it RSS feed.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, it was very nice.
And then later on you get a message from
YouTube, and then I can share.
YouTube, which I got, but I don't remember where it is.
Okay.
But I'll try to find it.
Mm-hmm.
The first document by Joe
Mm-hmm.
in the Word document,
Mm-hmm.
in the Word folder. Then I want to search for, the topic was podcast from,
Yeah, that
what was the topic? Did they send you the email, podcast?
RSS feed.
From YouTube that you were
Oh.
approved.
Advanced features. To do advanced features.
Podcast from YouTube it came, right?
Mm-hmm.
Was the YouTube the sender of the podcast?
I didn't get a.
Can you see if you can find it?
Yeah.
Podcast.
No, it was Google.
Google Podcast?
No, it was Google, and it says create your YouTube video verification to get advanced YouTube features. This is from channel content.
I cannot find the email that they sent me that I was approved for something.
Which one? Google?
You
Or
said that it came from Google. I remember getting some message, but I don't remember.
Google asked me for video verification. Did you do the exact same thing I did with
Yes.
on the phone?
Yes.
Did you actually do your phone and move left to right?
Yes. No, I didn't do that. I just uploaded the video from
No.
some other place and it was accepted. But I can do, I think, or maybe I did it with the phone. I don't remember. It was a long time ago.
Okay.
But they sent me some approval and I cannot, I remember that I saw it.
It says Sarah, create your YouTube video verification. But they didn't say I passed. They just said I passed on the on my screen, on my YouTube, on my phone.
Google Apps Education Upgrade, Google Account Activity Policy. I have so much stuff.
Yeah.
Google Video Verification. Video verification code, right?
Yeah.
Code.
Okay, this is my. Oh, look! It looks nice, Avi. Look at this. Avi, look at this. Can you look at it?
Yes. Looks very nice. Yes. Oh, it may be to the other account. That's the problem. They send it to my,
So this is called the RSS stream.
yeah. probably went to the other account.
See, this is copy RSS feed. When they wanted the copy,
Yes.
I'm going to try to do the podcast now. See, Avi? This is different. Copy RSS feed.
Let me find my thing. Okay, just a second.
Let's talk about uploading podcasts from an RSS feed to YouTube.
Okay.
If you're an audio-first podcast creator, you can submit your podcast RSS feed to YouTube, which will upload your podcast episodes to YouTube and YouTube Music.
Okay.
Let's walk through what RSS feeds are, how they work with YouTube, and how to submit them in YouTube Studio. First, why do podcasters use RSS feeds? Many podcasters use an RSS feed to distribute their podcasts across different platforms. Setting up an RSS feed is something that can be done outside of YouTube using third-party platforms. When you upload a podcast episode to your RSS feed, it will automatically be made available on all the podcast platforms your feed is connected to. This means you only need to upload an episode once, and it will be distributed to multiple places. Next, how do RSS feeds work with YouTube? When you submit your RSS feed to YouTube, a static image video will be created for podcast episodes on your RSS feed. YouTube will use your podcast episode or show art to create the static image video. When a new episode is added to your RSS feed, YouTube will automatically upload the static image video to your channel on your behalf and notify your eligible subscribers. Your podcast and its episodes will then be available on YouTube and YouTube Music. There's no subscriber requirement to use the RSS upload tool, but you'll need to have access to advanced features. You can check if you have access to advanced features by going to YouTube Studio, then Settings, then Channel, then Feature Eligibility. Now, let's walk through how to submit a podcast RSS feed to YouTube. First, head to YouTube Studio and hit Create, then New Podcast. Choose Submit RSS Feed. Next, you'll need to review the terms of service. If you agree to the terms, click Accept. At the next step, you'll need to enter your RSS feed URL, then click Next. Here, you'll need to verify ownership of the RSS feed by entering the code sent to the email address you use on your RSS feed. Enter the code, then click Verify. This will lead you to the Upload step. Here, you can choose to upload old episodes from your RSS feed. You can choose to upload all episodes in your feed, choose to upload episodes published since a certain date, or choose to not upload any old episodes. Note that if you choose to upload old episodes from the RSS feed during the setup phase, they'll be uploaded as private initially, and your channel subscribers won't receive notifications for them. They will only receive notifications once your podcast is published on YouTube and new episodes are uploaded from your RSS feed.
You gave me faulty
At the upload step, you'll also have the option to set a default paid promotion setting for your episodes. To comply with YouTube's terms of service, podcast content that you upload to YouTube cannot contain advertisements, but your podcast can include paid promotions like host-read promotions, sponsorships, or endorsements. You're just required to let us know. You can click the checkbox to set it as a default for any episode uploaded from your RSS feed. You can also change this later at the podcast or video level in Studio. Note that we'll let viewers know that the video contains a paid promotion when this setting is checked. Once you've made your selections, click Next. Finally, you'll reach the visibility step. At this point, you can click Save to finish your RSS feed setup. Remember, your past episodes will be uploaded as private videos, and you'll still need to publish your podcast, so nothing will be made public by clicking Save and finishing setup. You can click View Podcasts to go to the Podcast tab. From here, you'll need to publish your podcast. Note that once you've created your podcast from the RSS feed, it can take some time to upload the selected episodes. You'll see how many episodes are left to upload. We recommend waiting until all the episodes are uploaded and copyright checks are finished before publishing. Once you've confirmed there aren't any copyright issues for the episodes that were uploaded, you can click the Publish button next to your podcast. Remember, your subscribers won't receive any notifications at this point, only when you upload new episodes moving forward. Now let's walk through editing your podcast once it's published. If you want to edit your podcast show details, hover over it in the Podcast tab and click the pencil icon. You can edit things like title, description, and thumbnail. You can also disconnect the RSS feed and change the default visibility of new uploads from the feed. For individual episodes, keep in mind that YouTube will sync changes you make from the RSS feed to YouTube, including an episode's title, description, and release date. If you want to edit the details of an individual episode to be YouTube specific, you can still edit any of these fields directly, just like any other video. To do this, click into your episode and you can make edits from the details page. You can always choose to revert back to the RSS value if you change your mind. To do this, click the three-dot menu, then View Sync Status. Under Status, click Revert to RSS. If you already have podcasts on YouTube, you can also connect your existing podcast to an RSS feed. Under Podcasts on the Content tab, find the podcast you want to edit and click the pencil icon, which will lead you to the Details page. Under RSS Settings, click Connect to RSS Feed and follow the prompts. To avoid uploading duplicate episodes, we recommend setting the upload date to after the last published episode in your RSS feed. Finally, let's walk through some things to keep in mind when it comes to using an RSS feed to upload your podcast to YouTube. Note that YouTube won't distribute your podcast to other platforms. Although YouTube will automatically sync changes made to your episode details, we won't automatically update show detail changes made from your RSS feed. If you want to edit these details on YouTube, you can do so on the podcast details page. YouTube will also not automatically update audio files that are re-uploaded to your RSS feed. If you want to update the audio for an episode, from the video details page, click the three-dot menu, then
so you don't need in YouTube, you can just have podcasts
on
YouTube. For
more information on submitting a podcast RSS feed to YouTube, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.
Okay. So the idea, Avi, is you can just use YouTube for the podcast.
What about the RSS feed?
The RSS feed, then you can do with the RSS feed. So what you can do is from YouTube, you can just put the RSS feed, then it'll go to RSS. I don't have to upload it in rss.com.
Fine.
So once I get my advanced features, I can do that.
Fine.
It'll be much easier. Okay?
Yes.
So I'm going to take my RSS feed and I'm going to upload it to my Google Drive too. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, you're going to take your RSS feed and upload it to your Google
All
Drive.
because that'll be important, you know?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So now I understand it better. You didn't explain it well. Yeah.
Thank you.
So you can create a podcast and just use YouTube for your podcast. The RSS feed, it will put it into other platforms. So if you're using an RSS feed, it can also go to YouTube, and YouTube will put it into your music. But you can just use the RSS, the podcast. I understand it. So you don't need to do the audio, only if you're using RSS.com. Now it's what time? 10:30. So we spent an hour and a half. We got better, huh?
Yeah.
We got more. So I need to be in control.
Fine. You are in control.
Right. And it works out much better. And you can do in the background whatever you want to do, you know, quietly.
Right.
And when I need your help, you just talk.
Fine.
That works much better.
Whatever works for you works
Yeah.
for me.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
I'm going to put this in my OneDrive. Okay. Okay, upload it. Great. Do you understand?
Yeah. Okay, so we finished everything?
Yep. I stopped the videos.
Okay, fine.
I'm
I'm
going
going to wrap it up also.
Yeah. And I'm going to bring this back to my office. This computer.
I'm just finishing it up here. I played the video.
It's interesting. The Microsoft Strategy Copilot
Yeah.
said they're not registering me. They're overbooked.
In Fort Lauderdale?
Yeah.
Fine.
And you'll be notified.
Fine.
We'll be sure to notify if space becomes available.
Fine.
I'm going to schlep to Fort Lauderdale. You know?
Yes.
To schlep Fort Lauderdale.
Yes.
The traffic now is so bad. Okay. So now I understand what the RSS feed is. Okay. So close everything. I learned a lot. But this is what it looks like. You see that?
Yes.
It's worth it to get her to take a picture of me. You know that. I figured when I was at that place, I said to myself, she's a photographer, and she was taking pictures of everybody. So I said, can you take it for me for social media?
Yes.
She goes,
Fine.
why don't you just sit there? And then she went through and she photoshopped it, and she made 2 different versions, you know. I sent her a gift card. I said, how much do I owe you?
Fine.
She said nothing. So I sent her a gift card, you know.
Yeah.
They have a lot of people. You could spend a whole lifetime on this stuff, you know?
On what stuff?
All this RSS feeds, my podcast, my analytics, you know?
Right, so we won't spend a lifetime, just spend
Just
an
enough,
hour.
right. How was it? You pleased with
It
it?
was fine.
You got something done?
Yes,
Got a picture?
yes.
This is the public site.
Alright, and this is a screen recorder that records to a local device, which it generates a file name that I'm right now copying to the clipboard buffer and start recording. So right now I already have two recordings going on the computer. One of them is the MSN Recorder Max, and the other one is a CyberLink, and the third one is going to be a PSAR, which is a problem step recorder, because I expect to get problems before that. So I want to document this problem in a step recorder. In addition to that, I want to add also a cloud recorder. First of all, I want to set up, verify that the step recorder is set to 999 steps maximum, and then I start a new recording, and then I'm going to add to that as a comment the file name from MSN Recorder Max, which I'm going to paste again. And I paste it again, and now I want to paste the same thing in my notepad. I go to the top of my notepad, make a couple of spaces here so it stands alone with me, edit and paste. So right now I already have two recordings from the computer. One of them is the MSN Recorder Max, and the other one is a CyberLink, and the third one is going to be a PSAR, which is a problem step recorder, because I expect to get problems before that. So I want to document these problems in a step recorder. In addition to that, I want to add also